How to make Keto Raspberry Spinach Smoothie. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: ½ cup raspberries, sliced. Half medium avocado, peeled and sliced. ½ cup spinach. ½ cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon MCT oil. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 6 whole ice cubes. 15 gram pea protein. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. Combine all of the ingredients in the blender and blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. 3. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of raspberry spinach smoothie. Each serving comes out to be 387 calories, 29.4 grams fat, 6.5 grams net carbs, and 15.3 grams protein. If you would like to get a free keto cookbook for healthy weight loss, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.